Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, we are gonna do guess the logo sound. And here's my friend, a YouTube celebrity, a YouTube star,
Datonyevibes.
Yeah. So anybody that has the most points is gonna go home with this or B between me and him. So show them the Orabi. You can say it.
Which logo matches this sound?
Nokia. Nokia, say it.
That one is easy. That's why he said Nokia.
Superb, it's Nokia.
Yeah, Nokia.
What brand does this sound represent?
Cartoon Network.
Cartoon Network.
Amazing McDonald's. Can you identify this logo by its sound?
Netflix.
Netflix.
Netflix and chill.
Great job, it's Netflix.
Movie.
Identify the logo by its sound.
Among Us.
Super Mario.
Among Us. Jesus Christ.
It's Super Mario. What's the logo behind this sound?
Among Us.
Fantastic, it's YouTube.
Jesus is good.
Which logo does it belong to?
Coca-Cola. Yeah.
You rock, Cocomelon. What logo matches this sound?
20th Century Fox.
It's not like me to answer.
20th Century Fox.
Fastest.
Which logo is this?
I don't know, but I'll go with HBO.
Discord.
HBO. I'm not sure about HBO.
Hats off to you, Burger King.
The answers are yes. Burger King.
Identify the brand by listening to this sound.
I'll go HBO again. HBO. I don't know.
Pepsi.
Pepsi does not. Pepsi does not. I'll go HBO. HBO, please.
Awesome, it's HBO. Listen carefully to this sound. Which logo does it belong to?
Among Us. Oh God, just go let me watch you. Among Us. Yeah.
Impressive, it's Among Us.
Yeah. Yeah.
Check out the next one. Guess this logo.
What's Cartoon Network?
Pepsi.
Coca-Cola.
Wonderful, it's KFC. What logo is this?
Cartoon Network.
I will Windows. How about Windows? Not sure. Windows.
It's Cartoon Network. Which brand is represented by this sound?
Coca-Cola.
Pepsi.
Coca-Cola.
Jesus.
Excellent job. It's Pepsi.
This one work.
Can you identify this logo by its sound?
Windows.
Not Discord. Well, I'll go Discord. But not Discord. I will Discord. Not Discord.
Great job. It's Discord.
It's cheating.
Which logo matches this sound?
Windows. Windows. I said it first. Windows. Give me my point.
Yeah, obvious.
Superb. It's Windows.
Last one, Coca-Cola. Can give me one more point.
Guess the logo from this sound.
No idea.
Yeah. Mountain Dew.
I'll go Skittles.
You're correct. The answer is Coca-Cola.
This guy's messed up. Is this
What logo matches this sound?
Jesus, I know this thing.
TikTok.
What's that? What's that?
TikTok.
Nicely done. It's TikTok.
Yes. Please look at the at the end of video to TikTok.
What logo is this?
Skype. Subway. Let me go to Subway. My answer Subway.
Skittles.
It's Skittles.
Taste the rainbow.
Thank you.
Next one coming up. Guess the logo by this sound.
Shit, Jesus is Lord, though, bro. It's really hard. Duolingo.
Skype.
No, this guy is Duolingo.
Snapchat.
So
This is the game, this one.
yes. Now.
What logo is this?
But most of the brand has KitKat.
Oreo. Subway.
Somewhere. Next.
It's Kit Kat.
Have a break. Have a Kit Kat.
Next, which logo is represented by this sound?
Skype. No, not better than my look. Skype.
Oreo.
Great job.
Subway. I
It's
thought I don't think I said it. Give me one point.
Sorry.
Can you identify this logo by its sound?
I don't have any idea. I
Mountain
want Pringles. Pringles in them. Pringles, cut please.
Yahoo!
It's
These
Yahoo.
guys just did us Yahoo.
Next, which logo is represented by this sound?
Walt Disney.
Hey! It's what Disney now. People that watch cartoon.
Great job. It's Duolingo.
These are what Disney now.
Check out the next one. Guess this logo.
Pringles.
I'll go with Chupa Chups. bro. Chupa Chups.
Pringles.
Wonderful.
What's that sound?
What's your point?
Can you identify this logo by its
I
sound?
know what this is gonna make. I know what this is. I'm not it's what this is, bro. Yeah,
M&M.
yeah, that music what Disney, bro.
You did it. It's Walt Disney.
I'm not cheating, but I just felt it like Snow White.
Can you recognize this logo? Sound.
What's up? What?
He chats a lot, that's why. He's always online.
Great effort. It's WhatsApp.
Wait, you don't guess in Latin, like you might be lucky.
We call them what's up.
What logo matches this sound?
Oreo. I'm not in there.
Mountain Dew.
See my son here. I will Oreo.
Huh? Please, no, Oreo. Please, Mountain Dew.
I said guess local.
Nicely done. It's Oreo. Guess the logo from this sound.
Mountain Dew.
Where's Martin's here? I'll go with Sky. I'll go with Sky. I'm not sure, but I'll go with Sky. Sky. Like it's not his love.
You're correct. The answer is Chupa Chups.
Poor chop.
When I say it now, don't get it up.
Next one coming up. Guess the logo.
I don't know. Okay, this is
Mountain Dew.
I'll go M and M. I don't know. This one has work. M and M.
By this sound,
It's E.
it's Mountain Dew.
Like how you do?
What logo matches this sound?
Sky. Not sure. But Skype is okay. Skype and M&M's.
M&M's. I'll go
I'll go with
M&M's.
Skype. This is the last one.
This is the last one. It's critical. M&M's. That's me.
It's M and M's. Next one coming up. Guess the logo by this sound.
Skype.
Skype.
I said it first.
Because of this Skype.
I said Skype, bro. Then did this Skype.
Skype.
I said this Skype. Give my back.
IQ.
What logo is this?
LG.
To the Robux, some of the songs. Did they have
Yeah,
that
they-
song?
No. That's just something. Better like food though.
It's right.
Spread that baby. Basically,
Guess
you
this
have to
logo.
guess what this one from the Jesus.
Messenger. I said it first. Messenger. I said it first. Yes.
Bro.
Messenger.
Chatting app now.
He chats a lot, but he doesn't even know the sound.
Can you identify this logo by its sound?
LG. Fuck. No. LG. Dude. LG.
They finally get the score.
LG.
You did it. It's LG.
LG. Life is good.
What logo matches this sound?
Amazon. I don't care. Yes,
Ferrari.
yes, the thing is,
Yes. No.
it's a bit. I got Amazon, but it's like for the Ferrari.
It's Ferrari.
I'm going with the left one. Amazon. I don't know the best one. Amazon.
Next, which logo is represented by this sound?
Amazon. 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 Please give me this point. They can't be us back. So, Amazon.
Great job, it's Amazon.
Amazon. So the winner of this or a B, Capcut or whatever. Give it to the winner. Who is the winner?
I'm gonna hand it over to the winner right now.
So basically, he got 12 points and I got 14 points. So basically, I'm the winner of this today's Guess the Logo Sound Challenge. So can I have my or a B?
And to the winner, Mr. Hansen.
Mr. Eagle.
Oh, sorry, Mr. Hego. You can have your beautiful prize. Hey.